Hey everyone, welcome back to English with Sarah. I'm so happy you're here because today's episode is going to help you fix something that stops so many English learners from sounding natural.
Oh, really? What is it this time?
We're talking about common English mistakes, the ones almost every learner still makes, even at an intermediate or advanced level.
Uh-oh, that sounds scary already.
Don't worry, Max. By the end of this video, you'll speak more confidently, use grammar correctly, and sound much more natural in English. We're going to fix your grammar, your vocabulary, and even your pronunciation, all in one fun lesson.
Wait, all that in one podcast?
Yes, step by step, with examples, practice, and even a few jokes. So stay until the end because I promise, after this episode, you'll stop making these mistakes forever.
Okay, I'm staying. Let's fix my English.
Perfect. So grab a notebook, relax, and let's start with the first group of mistakes, grammar mistakes that I hear every single day from my students.
Every single day? Wow, this must be serious.
Oh, it is. Let's dive in. First mistake. He go to work every day.
Wait, what's wrong with that?
Listen again. He go to work. Do you hear the problem?
He go... Oh, should it be he goes?
Yes, exactly. We need that S at the end. He goes, she goes, it goes.
Oh, right, the third person S. I always forget that.
Everyone does. It's so common. So remember, I go, you go, but he goes, she goes.
I go, you go, he goes. Got it.
Great. Let's practice. Repeat after me. She works in a hospital.
She works in a hospital.
Perfect. Now, he studies English every day.
He studies English every day.
Excellent. You're already getting better. Okay, next mistake. I am agree with you.
I am agree? What's wrong with that? I say that all the time.
I know, but we don't use am with agree. We just say, I agree with you.
Just I agree, not I am agree.
Exactly. Agree is already a verb. We don't need am there.
Oh, so I don't say I am agree, I say I agree.
Yes, same with other verbs. Don't say I am know. Say I know.
I know, not I am know. This is so helpful.
Right? These small changes make a big difference. Let's practice. Say, I agree with you.
I agree with you.
Okay, now say, I understand the lesson.
I understand the lesson.
Perfect. Okay, mistake number 3. This one drives me crazy.
Oh no, what is it?
She don't like coffee.
She don't like coffee? That sounds normal to me.
I know it sounds normal, but it's wrong. It should be, she doesn't like coffee.
Doesn't, with an S.
Yes, he doesn't, she doesn't, it doesn't. But I don't, you don't, we don't, they don't.
Okay, so he doesn't, she doesn't, but I don't, you don't?
Exactly, you got it. This is a super common mistake, even for intermediate learners.
I definitely make this mistake.
That's okay. Now you know how to fix it. Repeat. He doesn't speak French.
He doesn't speak French.
Good. Now, she doesn't eat meat.
She doesn't eat meat.
Excellent. You're doing great. Okay, one more grammar mistake before we move on.
Okay, I'm ready.
I have been to Paris last year.
What's wrong with that one?
We don't use present perfect with last year. We use past simple.
Present perfect, past simple. You're confusing me.
Okay, simpler. Don't say, I have been to Paris last year. Say, I went to Paris last year.
I went to Paris last year. That's easier.
Right. When you say last year, yesterday, 2 days ago, always use past simple. I went, I saw, I did.
So I went, not I have been.
Exactly. I have been is for experiences without a specific time, like I have been to Paris, no time mentioned.
Oh, I get it now. With time, use past simple.
Yes, you're so smart.
Thanks. Okay, what's next?
Next, we're moving to vocabulary mistakes. These are so tricky.
Vocabulary mistakes, like using the wrong word?
Exactly. First one, say or tell.
Oh, I always mix these up.
Everyone does. Here's the simple rule. We say something, we tell someone.
Say something, tell someone?
Yes. So you say hello, but you tell me your name.
Can you give me more examples?
Sure, I say good morning, but I tell you a story.
Oh, so say is just words, but tell needs a person.
Exactly. Let's practice. What's correct? He said me or he told me?
He told me?
Perfect. Now, what about she said goodbye or she told goodbye?
She said goodbye.
Yes, you got it.
Okay, I think I understand say and tell now.
Awesome. Next vocabulary mistake. I'm very tired versus I'm too tired.
Wait, aren't they the same?
No, very tired means really tired. Too tired means you can't do something.
Oh, so to has a negative meaning.
Kind of. Listen, I'm very tired, but I can work. I'm too tired, so I can't work.
Oh, so to means it's a problem.
Exactly. Too much, too tired, too expensive. It's always negative.
That's really helpful.
So remember, very is just strong, but too is too much.
Very is strong, to is too much. Got it.
Perfect. Let's practice. Say, this coffee is very hot.
This coffee is very hot.
Good. Now, this coffee is too hot to drink.
This coffee is too hot to drink.
Excellent. Okay, next mistake. More better.
More better? That's wrong?
Yes. Never say more better. Just say better.
Just better? Not more better?
Nope. Better already means more good. You don't need more.
Oh, so it's like saying it twice.
Exactly. Same with more worse. Just say worse.
More worse is wrong too?
Yes, just say, this is better, that is worse.
This is better. That is worse. Okay.
And never say more easier or more faster.
Oh no, I say those all the time.
I know, but from now on, just say easier and faster.
Easier and faster. No more.
Perfect. You're learning so fast. Okay, another tricky pair. Borrow or lend.
These two words confuse me so much.
Everyone gets confused. Here's the simple rule. You borrow from someone, you lend to someone.
Borrow from, lend to?
Yes. So I borrow your pen, you lend me your pen.
Wait, let me think. I borrow from you, you lend to me.
Exactly. Borrow is receive, lend is give.
Borrow is receive, lend is give. That makes sense.
Great. So what's correct? Can I borrow you my book?
No, that's wrong. It should be, can I lend you my book?
Yes. Or can I borrow your book?
Can I borrow your book? Perfect.
You're doing amazing. Okay, everyone watching, I want you to try this. In the comments, write one sentence with borrow or lend. Let's practice together.
Yes, comments. Let's see your sentences.
All right, now we're moving to pronunciation mistakes.
Oh no, pronunciation is so hard.
I know, but we're going to fix the most common ones right now.
Okay, I'm ready. What's the first word?
The first word is comfortable.
Comfortable. That's easy. Bull.
Ah, that's the mistake. Most learners say comfortable, but we say comfortable.
Comfortable? That sounds weird.
I know, but that's how native speakers say it. We drop that middle syllable.
So not comfortable, but comfortable?
Exactly. Try it. Comfortable.
Comfortable.
Good. Again, this chair is comfortable.
This chair is comfortable.
Much better. You sound more natural already.
Thanks. What's the next word?
Next one is develop.
Develop? How do people say it wrong?
Many learners say develop, but we say develop.
Develop, with the stress on vel.
Yes, develop, not develop.
Develop. Okay, that's different.
Try this sentence. I want to develop my skills.
I want to develop my skills.
Perfect, you got it. Next word is world.
World. Oh, I know this one is hard.
Yes, many learners say world with 2 syllables, but it's 1 syllable. World.
World. Just one sound?
Yes, your mouth makes a circle. World.
World. World. This is tricky.
I know. Try, I want to travel the world.
I want to travel the world.
Excellent. Keep practicing that one.
I will. What's the last pronunciation mistake?
Last one, interesting.
Interesting.
That's what learners say, but native speakers say interesting. 3 syllables, not 4.
Interesting? We drop a syllable again?
Yes, we're lazy in English. We drop sounds all the time.
Haha, lazy English.
Exactly. Say, this video is interesting.
This video is interesting.
Perfect. You're pronouncing everything so much better now.
Thanks. This is really helpful.
I'm so glad. Okay, everyone, we covered a lot today. Let's recap everything quickly.
Yes, let's review.
First, grammar mistakes. Remember, he goes, not he go. Say, I agree, not I am agree. And use doesn't with he, she, it.
He goes, I agree, she doesn't.
Got it. Perfect. Second, vocabulary mistakes. Say something, but tell someone. Very is strong, to is negative. And just say better, not more better.
Say something, tell someone. Better, not more better.
Excellent. And remember, borrow from, lend to.
Borrow from, lend to. I'll remember.
Great. And finally, pronunciation. Comfortable, develop, world, interesting. Practice these.
I will practice them every day.
That's the spirit. You know, the most important thing is
What?
don't be afraid to make mistakes. Making mistakes is how we learn.
That's true. I made so many mistakes today, but now I know how to fix them.
Exactly. And everyone watching, you will make mistakes too. That's totally normal.
The important thing is to keep practicing.
Yes, practice every day, even just a little bit. Improvement comes from consistency.
Consistency. I love that word.
Me too. So here's your homework. Practice one thing from today's video every day this week.
Just one thing?
Just one. Don't try to fix everything at once. Pick one mistake and focus on it.
That's manageable. I can do that.
Of course you can. And everyone watching can do it too.
So, what should everyone do right now?
Great question. First, write in the comments, what mistake did you used to make? Or what mistake do you still make?
Yes, we want to hear from you.
Second, give this video a thumbs up if it helped you.
And subscribe if you want more English lessons.
Yes, we post new videos every week to help you improve your English.
And click the bell so you don't miss any videos.
Exactly. Next week, we're doing a video about thinking in English. You don't want to miss that.
Thinking in English. That sounds amazing.
It is, so make sure you're subscribed.
All right, everyone, that's it for today.
Thank you so much for watching.
Remember, mistakes are okay. Keep practicing.
Keep learning, keep improving, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Keep speaking English every day.
You're all doing great.
See you next time.